Hey everybody, I hope you're having an amazing day. I just want to go over with you to release your fear and just do what it is that you want to do. Start making those steps. There's no real, quote, right time to do anything in our lives. If we always put it off till the right time, or what we consider the right time, we never will do it. We never will go to that class or go to that seminar. We never will start a family. How many of us have put off having children? I was not one of them, but how many actually put off children till they're older in age? I had a friend of mine that's a psychiatrist, and she did that. She chose not to have uh, children of her own. She had stepkids, but she was building her career, and then she found herself in late 40s, early 50s, thinking about retiring, and that became an issue with her. She didn't have them earlier, but that was her choice, and she was okay with it once she internalized it and dealt with it. But what if we're putting off our dreams, uh, and we're never too old to start our dreams? But what if we never get started? We have to get in a mindset of just doing it. We're so stuck in fear mode of what could happen. Well, you might be saying what could go wrong or thinking about this. This is fear based. But you can change it to, well, maybe what could go right? What could I actually achieve if I applied myself? What could I actually become if I started making the steps towards where I want to go? What if I went ahead and asked that person out? Worst case scenario, they might say no. Oh, well, there's a billion people on this planet. But I get it. I was stuck in fear for most of my life trying to make decisions, and it was horrible. So once I broke out of that, I was able to start making my own decisions for what I personally wanted to go, where I wanted to be, and who I wanted to be. I stopped looking for other people's approval of what was right for me and what timing was right for me. I started letting my intuition, my God, my creator, and the angels lead and guide me. Now, it's not always as simple as that, but you've got to start somewhere so the universe, so God knows where you're wanting to go and can help you bring the resources and the right people and the timing, the divine timing, because that's a big thing with the law of attraction is divine timing. We're not to put anything divine, we're not to put the universe or God or Jesus or the angels in any kind of a box, because there's a million ways, excuse me, that things can unfold for us. We're just usually putting everything in a box that it has to come in an email, or it has to come in a letter form through the mail or something like that. But there's a million types, ways, more than a million really, that that the universe can get things to us, and the messengers of God, the angels, and our spirit guides. A lot of times we're missing the boat. I would advise you, or encourage you rather, to set your intention and affirm that you will remember your dreams and the messages that are in your dreams. You will have the interpretations. This is one that has followed me through my life, is having premonitions and things showing up in my life that I have dreamt about. So I believe it's a gift, but you can use this to your advantage. Make notes of what numbers, what people, things like this are in your dreams. What are you doing? Where are you? And just be open to the fact that messages do come through dreams many, many times. You can have random people show up in your life and they will be talking about something and you'll have an aha, epiphany moment, and you'll know what that is meaning for you directly. So just be open to that also. But there's no real right time to start a project or go in a certain direction that you want to go in or learn something new. I want to encourage people to take it on the now attitude. Right now is the right time to go in your direction. And all the time affirming where you want to go. I am becoming a millionaire. I am becoming a life coach. Whatever it is. I am marrying my special person. Put it out there in the universe. We have a new moon, and this is a perfect time to release all of your old baggage from the, just out of your life. Get rid of it. Kiss it goodbye. And start new affirmations, new beginnings, and new things in your life. So with that, I'm just going to leave that there for your encouragement, for your upliftment. That is my purpose here, is to just uplift the masses, if you would. So you are deeply divinely loved. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you, and may you have an amazing day. Bye for now.